Hi everyone, welcome to episode 3 of Falling in Love with the Mountains series. This video contains the best place out of all the places I visited on this trip, which is Khaziar. First of all, we started our day with BG Spa ki raaste mein padta hai. It's basically built to celebrate the military achievements of our soldiers and to commemorate them. We clicked some pictures over there and had a great time. Also, there was a white building which was so awe-striking. It was almost enchanting. So yeah, we also spent some time there and then we headed straight to Khaziar. And trust me guys, Khaziar Switzerland se to bilkul bhi kam nahi hai. It's like experiencing a small part of Kashmir. That is how it felt when we were there, and it's once in a lifetime experience. And there are a lot of things that happened, but I'm gonna be sharing a few of them in this vlog. So please enjoy.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me are like a magnet to a knot. Can like a lighthouse from the ocean. I send them my devotion and show them my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, with steadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said, oh, I've been love somebody. Oh, can you even let me get that close? Baby, the fire calling me, boy, I know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, I know the read your mind. Well, do you love yourself? Baby, the fire calling me, boy, I know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, I know the read your mind.
So guys, I just shot a review for this book. I chose this place because I really wanted to shoot a lot of things here. I bought some books with me because I wanted to shoot my book reviews here and some reels, just so that I can make some bookish content for my Instagram. I like doing that a lot, so of course I did that, and that is about it. So did I tell you that we are in Khaziar and it's an amazing place? Like, look at the place. Beach mein lake hai, to of course it is so therapeutic. It's very very picturesque. You guys should come here. Actually no, nobody, please don't come here. I don't want your pictures to look good. Just kidding. I'm not mean. Actually I'm mean, but I have to be nice here. Anyways, so as I told you, I'm sitting here chilling with my sisters. Do you want to come, Prisha? Yes. Okay, so I'm sitting here chilling with my sister. We both are trying to film something or the other. हमने कुछ बहुत ही cinematic shots लिए थे. Do you like our shots? आज के shots, do you like it?
I love them, and you have
Exactly.
got the best pictures today out of
Credit
all
to
the
they.
days. Yeah, credit goes to her and me
Thanks.
as well.
Yeah, of course, we did the camera work together. The ideas were also combined. They were hybrid. So yeah, we did that. That's it.
My old hometown always felt so pretty, and no one was sending postcards from the city. I've been walking downtown every day. Spite of this, I always try to fit in. When they consume my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a paragon, not a villain. I hate the city, but I stay for you. My love's so pretty, and I always knew from the day we met I would be with you. The first time you said that you love me too, couldn't best without you. I'm hollowed out, so I packed my things and we moved down south. Shared a room in a foreign house, so it will take some time when the squad what it's all about.
Okay guys, so that was it for our Khaziyar trip. Ouch! Shit. किसी ने देखा तो नहीं देखा, कोई बात नहीं, फिर से करते हैं. Okay guys, so this was it for our Khaziyar trip. I really enjoyed here. The lake was the cherry on top. It was amazing. We had a hell of an experience over here. मैंने इतनी सुंदर जगह कभी नहीं देखी है. ये सच में ही मिनी स्विट्ज़रलैंड है जैसे इसके बारे में बोला जाता है. लोग झूठ नहीं बोलते हैं. And yeah, my outfit also kind of slayed today. I slayed with my outfit, slayed with my energy, slayed with the view. Everything was perfect. I will never ever forget this day. This has to be one of the best days of my life. और ये मैं इतना lightly नहीं कहती हूँ because I don't have a lot of good days in my life. I've had some really bad days, but this was one of the days where I smiled a lot, I laughed a lot, I read for a while, I made some book content, and I think that's the best life I could ever wish for. So yeah, it was worth it and I enjoyed a lot. Saying our last goodbyes to this lake, to this serene beauty set amidst the mountains. It's amazing, guys. You just look at this. How beautiful, how calm, how placid. I never thought a place could be this beautiful. And it isn't even something very unusual, you know. We have seen a lot of lakes, we have seen a lot of water bodies between the mountains, you know, surrounded by mountains. But this is something different. The whole vibe screams something. And I can't really point a finger to what it is, but I do know that I'll remember this place for the rest of my life, and it's gonna be a very happy memory. It was amazing. I enjoyed it to the fullest, loved it, and the lake especially. इतना clean water नहीं है lake के अंदर, but if you come here, you're gonna love the lake because it's the prettiest thing ever. I'm not a huge fan of lakes. I like oceans. I like water bodies. दूर से ही I'm afraid of water, like going inside the water. But दूर से अगर आप लोगों को देखना है, if you want to see something unique, if you want to experience mountain beauty, if you want to experience Dalhousie, best place to come, Khaziyar. Come here. सिर्फ 1 घंटा लगता है. And also यहाँ पे एक और चीज़ हुई थी हमारे साथ में. हम लोगों को स्काई डाइविंग का ऑप्शन मिला था, which we almost went for. हम लोग ऑलमोस्ट वहाँ पे चले भी गए थे. एक यहाँ पे ट्रैक करना होता है, वहाँ तक हम चले गए थे. But then we saw one lady coming in. उनका पूरा पैर स्ट्रेन पड़ गया था उनके पैर में due to the landing, inefficient landing, and that is why we thought of skipping the thing. Also उनका जो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट था उसमें काफ़ी कुछ क्लॉजेस थे जिसके अंदर था कि पैरालिसिस हो जाएगा तो हमारी गारंटी नहीं है. Obviously वो सब लिखवाते हैं, but it is a very risky thing, and we only have to do it if we trust ourselves, if we trust the authorities, if we trust the organization that is conducting the same thing. So of course we skipped the plan, we dropped the plan, but yeah, we were almost about to do paragliding today, and that was it for this experience. I hope we meet again mountains, and I think this will be second last or last episode of Falling in Love with the Mountains series. Totally enjoyed it. Loved every bit of it. Yeah, that was it. Bye mountains. Bye for the last time.
You said that you love me too, but the best without you. I'm hollowed out, so I packed my things and we moved down south to share a room in a foreign house. This will take some time, but it's what it's all about.
दैट वॉज ऑल आई डिड ऑन दैट डे. काफ़ी लेट हो गया था तो हमने बस फटाफट से थोड़ा कॉर्न ख़रीदा. वी वेंट बैक टू आवर होटल एंड केम बैक एट नाइट टू शॉप सम मोर एंड एक्सप्लोर more food. And that was it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I put in a bit of effort in editing this. So yeah, I hope you guys loved it and I hope you guys like, share and subscribe to my channel because और content आने वाला है. Keep waiting.